What is this document management center that Xerox is developing?
Oh, do you mean DocuCenter? It's not easily defined, but once you understand the concept, you'll probably want one. It becomes what you want it to be.
I'd like a Ferrari.
Let's try this again. Xerox is developing a tool that can become part of a customer-designed document management and production system. You can start small and add on features as needed, or you could start with a whole ball of wax.
You really haven't told me anything yet.
I know, bear with me. At the core of DocuCenter is a digital toolbox. By itself, it's a state-of-the-art copier that is also a printer. In other words, you could input data either on paper or electronically to have it copied or printed.
So what? Copiers and printers do that now.
Yes, but DocuCenter combines those two machines into one, and then, ta-da, it starts to get exciting. Its document management capabilities are almost endless.
Well, what can it do?
You tell me what you want it to do, because DocuCenter is designed so you can configure it to meet your document management needs.
Okay. I work for an international company with offices in the U.S., France, Africa, Australia, and Japan. I'd like to send an electronic document to my key people in these offices while at the same time make 10 stapled finished sets of it for a meeting in my office. Oh, and I'll need overhead transparencies for that meeting as well. Finally, I want to store a copy of the document in a file server for easy access at a later time. And I need it all in 30 minutes.
Can do with DocuCenter.
Wait a minute. That's a lot of work and running around. I'd have to go to my PC, then to a printer, then to a copier, then to a fax machine, and wait to get through, then get back to my PC to email the rest. It'd still take forever.
Not anymore.
How can DocuCenter do all that? I thought you said it's a copier-printer combo.
I said copying and printing are the core of the document management center, and that you could make it into what you need. DocuCenter could handle the scenario you described if you added fax applications to the core services. A message from your PC will contain the distribution instructions DocuCenter needs.
So I can add on services I need as I need them.
You got it.
What if I have a paper document? How does it get into the system?
A couple of ways. You could walk up to DocuCenter, insert the document, and scan it. This converts the paper document to an electronic document, which you can print, fax, or store on a file server. Then you can distribute an email note over the network that contains a pointer to the document on the file server. The recipients can retrieve and print a copy at their convenience.
Do the people receiving my documents need DocuCenter to make the distribution complete?
No, but if they did have one, they'd be able to use DocuCenter to print the email or to receive and print the fax. Again, the Document Management Center can be whatever the user wants it to be.
DocuCenter sounds fantastic. I'd love to have one on my desk right now.
You won't need one cluttering up your desk. DocuCenter will be a shared document management center located within your department. If you have the document on your PC, you can use DocuCenter's powerful software applications to do everything with a few simple steps at your PC. You can distribute both email and fax, print transparencies and 10 stapled sets, and store the document on a file server.
So others could be using the system at the same time? What do I do if I have something that needs to go out now? Wait in line?
Remember, you can access DocuCenter right from your PC. DocuCenter can send back a message saying how much work is in front of your job. If you need your job right away, you could give it priority over other jobs in the queue, or have DocuCenter steer you to another DocuCenter that is immediately available to you.
This is sounding better all the time. Okay, but sometimes I need to print sensitive documents for a specific person. What if I don't want anyone else to see them?
You can assign a PIN number to protect your documents so they are accessible only by you at a secure mailbox without the possibility of interception.
No more shuffling through stacks of paper to find my top-secret job at the printer?
And no more separator sheets to throw away, which is one way DocuCenter is environmentally green.
So DocuCenter, the Document Management and Production Center, is a service that can grow and evolve to meet my communications and document management needs.
It becomes what you need and want, and not a fixed configuration with a specific set of features.
Sounds to me like Xerox has been doing some listening. Good for them. Now, about my Ferrari.
It's a great car, but DocuCenter is faster and much more reliable.